Hi friends, this is Shweta from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see about study of logic gates. Logic gates are the building blocks of any digital system. It is performed on one or more binary inputs that produces a single binary output. Let's enter into types. Based on the logic gates, they are classified into 6 types: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, in which AND or NOT are called as in basic gates, NAND and NOR is called as in universal gates, XOR is called as an exclusive gate. AND gate. It is an electrical circuit that combines two signals so that the output is if both the signals are present. This is the logic diagram of an AND gate. The truth table of an AND gate has two inputs and one output. When the values of both the input are 1, the output will be 1. The Boolean expression of an AND gate is Q is equal to A into B. For better understanding, I attached the animation file for the AND gate, which represents the truth table with their values. OR gate. An OR gate has two or more than two inputs and one output. The OR gate follows the logical operation of the input and output signals. This is the logic diagram of an OR gate. The truth table of an OR gate has two inputs and one output. When both the input are 0, the output will be 0. The Boolean expression of an OR gate is Q is equal to A plus B. Likewise, here also I attached the animation file of OR gate with the values representing in the truth table. NOT gate. A NOT gate performs a logical negation on its input. In other words, if the input is true, then the output will be false. The logic diagram of a NOT gate is placed here. The truth table of a NOT gate has only one input and one output. When the input is 0, the output will be 1. When the input is 1, the output will be 0. As I said earlier, I attached a Boolean expression and animation file for NOT gate. NAND gate. The NAND gate are called as in universal gates since the combination of these gates can be used to accomplish any of the basic operations. This is the logic diagram of a NAND gate. Truth table of a NAND gate has two inputs and one output. When both the input has 1, then the output is 0. The animation file and the Boolean expression of the NAND gate is placed here. NOR gate. An OR gate followed by a NOT gate in cascade is called as an NOR gate. In other words, the gate which provides a high output signal only when there are low signals of the input, such type of gate is known as an NOR gate. This is the logic diagram of an NOR gate. Truth table of a NOR gate has two inputs and one output. Likewise, the Boolean expression and the animation file of the NOR gate is placed here. In truth table, when both the inputs are 0, then the output is 1. XOR gate. The exclusive OR gate or XOR gate is achieved by combining the standard logic gates together. The XOR gate is used extensively in error detection circuits, etc. This is the logic diagram of an XOR gate. The truth table of an XOR gate has two inputs and one output. When both the inputs are 0 or 1, then the output is 0. The Boolean expression and the animation file for the XOR gate is attached here. Thank you.